that the grounded discussion that you and I will have during a lesson about mathematics, rooted in actual mathematics, not tips and tricks that are designed to pass an exam, actual mathematics, then you'll start to go, oh, okay, that's what math's about. Well, I was taught this trick and it confused me because I was able to use it here and not here. I'm like, yeah, I know. Isn't it frustrating that you're taught cross multiplication, but we don't use it in the intuitive environment? So when students are taught how to multiply fractions and then taught cross multiplication, which has nothing, it has nothing to do with multiplying fractions. Those fractions are set equal to each other. Students, almost every single student I met will confuse multiplying fractions, cross multiplication. They are not the same skill. They're a vastly different skill. Cross multiplication is a trick. It comes from the properties of equality. All right, what you do to one side of the equal signs, for so long as you do the exact same thing to the other, the original value of the equation is retained. And then they took like 3 or 4 steps and then took those steps out and then just taught cross multiplication. And we have multiple generations who are confused by this. I know because it's taught to me. I know because it's still being taught in all students. I'm like, all right, I get your teacher wants you to know this. I was like, so you will still be doing cross multiplication at the very end, but let's go ahead and learn these 3 other steps. And yeah, it's going to take a little bit more time, but you're going to understand where cross multiplication comes from. So when you get on an exam, you're going to use it in the right spot. Math is not a bunch of tips and tricks for speed. Math is logical flow, grounded in properties, theorems, and definitions. Every bit of it can be. Is. And whenever students are able to see that, then they're like, okay, math makes sense.